Hey guys, it's Gus and Joshy. And we got some new toys. We got two different colors. We got Losi Mini JRX2s. These are pretty much built to match the original. They're just 16th scale instead of the 10th scale. Ready?
No. Yeah.
Books.
Boring stuff.
We're gonna need batteries out of there for the videos.
Oh.
We have our manual USB charger, and it does come with stickers, which is great. Is that a sticker? Or is that not a sticker? That is a sticker. That's pretty neat.
Dining decorations for your TV.
So we'll save those and set that aside. Whoa. And pop this out. And nothing else in there. Look at that. What color did you get? The pink one?
Yeah, the pink one.
Pretty neat. Definitely old school looking.
Skizzer.
How about the videos? It's kind of a mini
You can't stand it up.
SL2, SLT2. It's just like a mini SLT3.
This one.
Feels real nice actually.
That's not what I wanted. Great.
Grab it so it doesn't fall on the ground.
Be fine, probably. I caught it. What's this?
There's actually quite a bit of weight for this little guy. Now the thing said it's a fiberglass chassis, but that looks like aluminum to me. It's got fiberglass shock towers, aluminum shocks. Listen, they're actually oil-filled shocks. It's got a little 2-in-1 ESC receiver on there. I may pick up one of the dynamite brushless for these, we'll see. I'm sure there's going to be some upgrades and stuff for it, we'll see. I don't know if they need that much power though, because then we'll be popping wheelies.
That'd be cool.
Boy, the suspension works real nice. These things are going to handle really good actually. Just running their typical SX107 16th scale servo. And they do come with a 650 milliamp battery. Motor's pretty neat. It looks like an old school, actually, Losi motor on there.
Big metal piece.
Motor mount, everything is metal. That's pretty neat. Bodies look pretty good. These things are kind of odd because they're actually Unlike notes to the newer ones, they got the 4 body clips, got 2 on the side and 1 in the front and the back.
They did it a long way.
But yeah, these are pretty neat, I think. So yeah, there's not a lot in the box. You do get everything you need to run. So we're going to get them ready to go, and we're going to take them out and give them a whirl. Okay, we got them outside. You can tell by Josh, these turbos are actually pretty good. So we made us a little track over here, and we're going to take them for a spin. I think I'm going to pop myself in the chair. I might even have to lay on the ground to get these little guys on the camera. Wrong way, sir. Perfect sized little jumps. No cheating. Okay, we'll do a couple laps to get kind of the hang of these, because I might turn my steering rate down a little bit. Huh? You have to slow down when you come to the corner.
Oh, but that's boring. Not fast.
What you do is you come up to the corner and you lock up the brake. Make sure, yep, we are on 100%. Okay, we're gonna have a 2-lap race.
2-lap, where are we gonna start?
Right here. Okay. Ready? Get set, go. You cheated.
I did not. Well, I'm not sure in first place.
The track don't go that way. These things are pretty neat. They actually handle really good, considering what they are. We'll have to set up a race course in the basement for these for in the wintertime. Oh no! Your wing come off. You just gotta find the little clippy thing that was on top.
No, that broke off.
It didn't break, it just comes unturned. It just like screwed, it's like a little...
Look like I don't think it's clippy on that. Wait. There is no clippy thing. Oh, there is. Look at that.
See, the clippy thing goes in the hole.
Oh,
You
I
need to
have
find that
that.
piece. Is that it right there?
No, that's part of the head.
That's because I wanted to try to hit this jump really fast.
That's why I broke mine. Uh-oh.
What? Oh! You just hit the chair wide open, sir.
Yeah, it's fine. It's cool. See, it's fine.
You gotta hit the jump first.
Well, yeah, but I missed it again. Oh, I gotta do it in hills.
Jump. I'm gonna hit it that way. Actually, I'm gonna do something different.
Well, I'm gonna try this one. I want that. Especially when I go through the middle.
Oh.
Now it's okay. I don't think I.
You're stuck. Oh. What's going on, Booby? Okay. Before the battery goes dead, how about we take these out on a blacktop and just see how fast they go? Have a drag race? Whoa! Probably about 15.
That made it work.
It's hot out here.
Very hot. Let's go back to the machine.
Yeah, we know.
Which one's the right way? You're going on the wrong way.
Technically, it's the right way. Usually you turn left when you're going around a track.
I can't go along this way.
Not always. I've had tracks that you can make them go either way. But I like the jump. Oh, I made it. The jumps are. Yep.
I really can't see what I'm doing. So we kind of jumping.
Is that your spot, Poopy? Gosh, he's trying to shoot me with dirt. Yeah, the suspension on these is really nice. Laying on the ground like this, I feel like a little kid playing with my little Tonka toys. Starting to get the hang of these. They take a little bit to get to used to steering them. They kind of remind me of driving the Baja actually, because of all that weight on the back end. Oh! Me too. I don't hit the ramp.
Go that way.
Can you go?
No. I'm stuck on your
I'm stuck now. Your tire's stuck into my tire. You have to go take them apart. I'm the world's best backwards driver.
It's not about seeing where you're going, it's about seeing what you're doing. I'm really bad at it. The controls are in the way.
Maybe.
I did it to myself. You keep doing it. Okay, it's
Oh, my battery just died. Uh-oh, you lost it again.
what?
You lost the other side, or you lost that little thing again.
Oh, that's not forever.
You know, you're laying right where the part probably is. Here it is. So what'd you think, sir?
Fun.
Fun?
Hard to get used to though. I crashed too many times.
Is it off?
Probably.
Yep, okay. Yeah, they are definitely fun little trucks. You got more crap around your axle again.
That's because I'm an excellent driver.
You are an excellent driver. Yeah, you can see how your tires are a little bit more gooder and mine are kind of...
Mine bend this way. One of yours is perfectly like almost straight, and yours is like this.
And this one is like way too much.
Wonky.
Yeah, they're pretty good. Definitely will make a good summertime or wintertime basement fun time. We're just playing around for the heck of it.
Or good for little kids.
Or good for little kids. They're actually pretty darn tough. I'm surprised we didn't break nothing.
I'm surprised you wouldn't have broken it. My
Especially when you hit that chair wide open.
or the tree, or myself,
Yeah.
or the field.
All right. Well, I guess that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.